In this video we are going to revise the examples, selected problems. Here see the first question is on mathematical logic. So by constructing truth table you have to prove the following equivalences. So very simple question, we will go for the matrix question. So this we can do these questions that are mathematical logic by preparing constructing truth table. You can prove this. Now we'll do question on matrix. See here, A is equal to what? Matrix 2 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. See this matrix, you have to find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. So for this you have to find determinant of this matrix. What will be the determinant of this matrix? Determinant of the matrix is 2 into determinant of this 4 minus 1. See here you will find the determinant of this 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. We will expand this determinant 2 into 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, minus of minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 2 plus 1, then plus 1 into determinant of 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2. So what will be the answer? 6. Therefore determinant of A is equal to what? 6. This is 1 into this minus 1, it is minus 1. Here it is again minus 1, so it gives us 4. Therefore determinant of A is equal to 4 and which is not equal to 0, so A inverse exists. Therefore A inverse exists. Then we find all minors and cofactors. So minor m11 is equal to what? Value of this determinant 4 minus 1, that is equal to what? 3. m12 is equal to minor of this element is what? Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. m13 is equal to minor of this element is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Then minor of this second row m21 is equal to what? Value of this determinant minus 1 into 2 and minus of minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and plus 1 which is equal to what? Minus 1. m22 is equal to what? Minor of this element 2 into 2 4 minus 1, it is equal to what? 3. m23 it is minor of this element which is minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. Then minor of the element in third row, that is this m31. So what is this m31? That is 1 and minus 2, that is minus 1. m32 is what? Minor of this element which is minus 2 plus 1. Then m33 is minor of this element which is 4 minus 1, that is equal to what? 3. So these are the minors. We will find cofactors. Cofactor A11 is equal to what? m11 which is 3. A12 is equal to 1 और 2 odd होता है, so negative, minus of m12. What is that? It is plus 1. Then A13 is equal to M13, because 1 plus 3 even होता है, so plus, and that is equal to what is our M13? It is minus 1. There will be no change in the sign. Then A21, what is A21? Cofactor A21. So A21 is minus of M21, which is what is M21? Minus 1, so it will be equal to plus 1. Then A22 is equal to what? M22. What is our M22? M22 is 3. Then A23 is equal to what? Minus of M23. What is that? M23 minus 1, so it will be equal to what? Plus 1. A31 is equal to what? M31. Then what is this M31? M31 is minus 1. A32 is equal to what? Minus of M32. What is our M32? Minus 1, so it will be plus 1 for here. M33 is equal to what? A33 is equal to M33, and that is equal to what? 3. So thus we are getting all cofactors. So after getting all cofactors, we find adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of matrix is equal to what? It is the transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So what are the cofactors? A11 is 3, A12 is 1, A13 is minus 1, then A21 is equal to what? A21 is equal to 1, A21 is 1, A22 is 3, A23 is 1, A31 is minus 1, A32 is 1, or A33 is equal to what? 3. Then transpose of this matrix will be by interchanging all rows and columns. So we interchange all rows and columns, so it is 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. This will be the adjoint of a matrix. Therefore inverse of a matrix is what? Therefore A inverse. So what is A inverse? 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, adjoint of A. So we have determinant of A is equal to 4, therefore it is 1 by 4 into adjoint is this 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3 is the adjoint. So this will be the inverse of a matrix. This will be the inverse of matrix. We will do now second question, that you have to find inverse of matrix by elementary row transformation 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5 and 2, 4, 7. So here we find inverse of this matrix by elementary row transformation. So check whether the matrix is having inverse or not. So 1 into, that is 7 minus 20. Then we are finding determinant of this 2 into 7 minus 10, expansion of this, then plus 3 into 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So what is this? Minus of 13, and here it is plus 6, minus 2 and this minus 3 it is, then plus, here it is 2, 6 will be, so it is minus 1. Clearly it is not equal to 0, therefore inverse of this matrix exists. Inverse of the matrix exists. Now we find inverse of this matrix by elementary row transformation. So we write here A into A inverse is equal to what? Identity matrix, as we are performing row transformation. So first we write here A matrix. तो A matrix क्या है अपना? 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. This is our matrix A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, then while performing row transformation R2 ये एलिमेंट 0 करना है और ये एलिमेंट 0 करना है. सो दिस कैन बी डन बाय R2 minus R1 and R3 minus 2R1 minus what? 2R1. So what will be this? Here A inverse, the right hand side matrix. फर्स्ट रो देर इज नो चेंज, तो 1 2 3 आपको लिखना है फर्स्ट रो में. फ्रॉम R2 वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग R1, सो दिस गिव्स अस 0. यहाँ पे -1 होगा और यहाँ पे 2 होगा. R3 minus 2R1, सो दिस गिव्स अस 0. ये भी 0 आएगा और ये आएगा 1. इट इज 6 7 minus 6. फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज 1 0 0. R2 minus R1 1 -1 आएगा. 0 minus 1 इट इज़ 1 और ये 0. R3 minus 2R1, सो यहाँ पे -2 आएगा, here 0 और यहाँ पे 1. आफ्टर दिस मेक दिस एलिमेंट 1, सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस रो बाय माइनस साइन, नेगेटिव साइन. सो माइनस ऑफ R2 विल गिव अस, सी दिस बाय minus of R2 give us first row as it is 1 2 3 A inverse, the right hand side is first row as it is 1 0 0. second row we multiply by negative sign, so it is 1 और ये -2 आएगा, यहाँ पे 1 और ये -1 0 आएगा. थर्ड रो will be as it is 0 0 1 -2 0 1. ठीक है, then make this element 0, so this we can make 0. R1 minus 2 times of R2, R1 minus 2 times of R2, that is equal to R1 minus 2 times of R2 will be, here it is 1, ये 0 आएगा. 2 times of this, that is 4. minus of -4 will be +4 and this gives us 7. यहाँ पे 0 1 -2, क्योंकि सेकेंड रो में कोई चेंज नहीं है. 0 0 1. थर्ड रो में भी चेंज नहीं है. फर्स्ट रो में क्या चेंज है? R2 times 2 times of R2 we are subtracting, so this gives us -1. ये 2 होगा और ये 1 -2, that is, so it is +2 and this is 0. 1 -1 0 -2 0 1. yes, then here R1 में से 7 times of R3 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 7 times of R3 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. and from R2 we are subtracting, adding 2 times of R3. so perform this transformation. right hand side will be equal to, from R1 subtract 7 times of R3, so this is 1 0 0. in R2 we add 2 times of R3, so this is 0 1 0. there is no change in R3, so 0 0 1 it will be. Now from R1 we are subtracting 7 times of R3, so this is 14. So प्लस होगा 14 और ये माइनस, दैट इज 13. ये 0 है तो देयर विल बी नो चेंज. यहाँ पे 2 से -7 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल बी -7. ओके, देन सेकेंड रो we are adding 2 times of R3 in the second row. so ये 4 है, -4 और ये 1, that is -3. there will be no change because ये 0 element है. और यहाँ पे 1 is multiplied with 2 और we are adding over here. there is no change in the third row, it is this. after this left hand side is reduced to the identity matrix, therefore left hand side is reduced to the identity matrix. Therefore we will write here I into A inverse is equal to this matrix 13 -3 -2 2 -1 0 -7 2 1. Therefore our required answer, that is inverse of a matrix by row transformation, is this 13 -3 2 -2, it is 2 -1 0 -7 2 1 2 1 -7 2 1. yes, this will be the inverse of a matrix. so inverse of matrix is this by elementary row transformation. so these are the transformations. then next question is, here A is a matrix 1 2 3 4. verify A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into adjoint of A into A, and that is equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. so next question is, you have to verify A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to what? Determinant of A into I, identity matrix. Next question, A matrix is given, that is equal to what? Matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4. these are the elements. it is 2 by 2 matrix. first you find determinant of this matrix. इसका हम determinant find करेंगे. determinant of A is equal to what? 1 into 4 minus 6 minus 3 into 2, that is 4 minus 6, which is equal to -2. that is the determinant of A. then adjoint of A find करना है आपको. so adjoint of A you will find. how we find adjoint of A? see here, A11, that is cofactor of this element. okay, so it is M11, or minor of this element is 4. A12, that is minus of M12. what is minor of this element? minor of this element will be 3, so it is -3. A21 is again minus of M21, which is minor of this element is 2, so it is -2. then A22 is equal to what? M22 है. minor of this element is this 1. after getting all cofactors, adjoint of a matrix is given by adjoint of A matrix is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. A11 is this, A12 is this, A21 is -2 and A22 is 1. Transpose of this matrix will be what? Transpose of the matrix is by interchanging all rows and columns 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. That is the transpose. After getting adjoint of a matrix, here what we want to show here, A into adjoint of A. So let's find this multiplication A into what? Adjoint of A is equal to what? Matrix A is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and its adjoint is this. Adjoint is 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 is its adjoint. Multiply this first row into column, first row into column, that is 1 into 4 minus 6. First row into second column, minus 2 plus 2. Second row into first column, 12, it is 6. First row into column, then second row into column, that is 12 minus 12 again, then second row into second column, minus 6 plus 4. What will be this? A into adjoint of A, capital A, that is at matrix A into adjoint of A, which is equal to what? minus 2, यहाँ पे 0 आएगा, ये 0 आएगा, और and this is what? minus 2. Yes. What is our determinant of A? We are getting determinant of A is equal to minus 2, and here see, you can write it as equation 1. We have A into adjoint of A is this. Now determinant of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Here determinant of A into I is equal to what? Determinant of A into I. So what is our determinant of A? It is minus 2. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 1, and that will give us what? minus 2 0 0 and minus 2. Yes, we are getting it is equal to what? A into adjoint of A is determinant of A into I. Now similarly we multiply adjoint of A. See, in general matrix multiplication is not commutative, so a adjoint of A into A हम multiply करेंगे, that will be equal to what? See here, A matrix is 1 2 3 4 and adjoint of A is equal to what? Adjoint of A is 4 minus 2 minus 3, 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. This is adjoint. Now let's check it is equal to, do this multiplication, ये multiplication करना है हमें, 4 into 1 and minus 6 minus 2 into 3, it is 4 into 1 and minus 2 into 3, so it is minus 2. Then 4 into 2 8, and this minus 2 into 4 is again 8, so it will be 0. Minus 3 into second row into first column, minus 3 into 1 or 1 into 3 0. Minus 3 into 6 2 minus 6 and 8 plus 4, again it is minus 2. So you can observe that therefore what you are getting, A into adjoint of A, therefore we are getting A into adjoint of A and adjoint of A into A into what? A, that is equal to what? Determinant of A into identity matrix, means it is proved. Next question is what? By using method of inversion we solve these equations by using method of inversion. We solve these equations. Here we solve the equations by using method of inversion. So the equations are, what are the equations? X minus y plus z is equal to what? 4. दूसरा इक्वेशन है 2x plus y minus 3z is 0. और थर्ड इक्वेशन है x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So x minus y plus z is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. So we solve these equations by method of inversion. We solve these equations by method of inversion. So first of all you put these equations in matrix form. तो मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में ये 1 minus 1 1 आएगा. दूसरा इक्वेशन है 2 1 minus 3 और थर्ड इक्वेशन है 1 1 1. Here x y z are the okay, it is a matrix of variables and right hand side में matrix of constant आएगा. What are the constant over in the right hand side? 4 0 or 2. 4 0 or 2. Then see, this matrix is what? A matrix. ये matrix A, that is matrix of coefficients. ये matrix X और ये matrix होगा B. So it is of the form AX is equal to what? B. Therefore matrix X is required, that will be equal to what? A inverse into B. तो हम inverse of matrix A find करना है. So we will find that by using adjoint method. So first of all you find determinant of A matrix क्या है हमारा? This is the A matrix. 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 or 1 1 1. This is our matrix A. Expand it. What will be the expansion of this? 1 into 1 plus 3, that is 4. Minus of minus 1 will be plus 1 और ये 2 minus of minus, that is 5. 2 plus 3 होगा plus 1 into expansion of this determinant 2 minus 1, that is 1. So what is it? 4 प्लस 5 और ये प्लस 1, मतलब 10 आएगा. So expansion of the determinant is 10. Then we find, see this is what determinant of A it is. ये determinant of A है. Therefore determinant of A is equal to how much? 10. Now we find all minors and cofactors. So all minors and cofactors हमें find करना है. A11 that is equal to M11, ये होगा इसका minor. So it is value of this determinant, that is equal to value of the determinant 1 1 minus 3 1. What is the expansion of this? 1 minus of minus 3 मतलब 4 आएगा. Then A12 is equal to minus of M12 and it is minus of the value of this determinant. First row और second column छोड़ना है. So 2 1 और minus 3 1. 2 1 और minus 3 1. Sorry. So 2 1 minus 3 1 should be here. What will be the expansion of this? Expansion of this will be 2. See here, 2 and plus 3, 5 it is, so it will be minus 5. It will be minus 5. Then A13 is equal to what? Cofactor A13 is equal to M13, and it is equal to value of the determinant A13. Okay, first row and third column. So these remaining elements 2 1 1, तो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. Expansion will be what? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then A21, what is A21? Is equal to minus of M21, and it is minus of the value of the determinant second row or first column. तो ये आएगा minus 1 1 और 1 1. What is the expansion of this minus 1 और ये minus 1? minus 2 आएगा, तो ये आएगा plus 2. Then A22 is equal to what? M22, and which is value of the determinant 1 1 और 1 1, मतलब ये 0 आएगा, that will give us 0. फिर A23 is equal to minus of M23, which is minus of value of the determinant second row and third column. Okay, 1 minus 1 1 1. What is the expansion? 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2, and this is what? Minus 2. After this, A31 is equal to M31, value of the determinant third row and first column. minus 1 1 1 minus 3. Expansion is 3 minus 1 2. A32 is equal to minus of M32. What is this? Expansion of this determinant third row and second column, 1 2 and 1 minus 3. See here, minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5, it will give us plus 5. Then last is A33. It is equal to M33, and it is value of the determinant, value of this determinant M33. 1 minus 1 2 1 2 1. Expansion of this is equal to what? 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now all cofactors we are getting, therefore we write here adjoint of a matrix. So what is the adjoint of matrix here? Adjoint of the matrix is equal to transpose of matrix of cofactors. So A11 is 4, A12 is minus 5, A13 is 1, A21 is equal to 2 0 and minus 2, A31 is equal to 2 5 or 3a. Transpose of this matrix will be equal to what? Transpose of the matrix will be 4 minus 5 1 or 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. This is what adjoint of a matrix. Then what is the inverse of matrix? A inverse. Therefore A inverse, it is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is the determinant of A? It is 1 upon 10. It will be 10 is the determinant. It is 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. This is A inverse. After getting A inverse, okay, what is matrix X? Matrix X is equal to what? A inverse into B matrix. So it is 1 upon 10 is A inverse. It is 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3 is or A inverse into X matrix, sorry, B matrix. So what is our B matrix? Matrix B is 4 0 2. It is 4 0 2. 4 0 2. Multiply this matrix. Multiplication will be, see here, 1 upon 10 into first row into column, that is 16 plus 0 plus 4, which is 20. First row into column, see here, this is first row into column, 16 plus 0 plus 4, minus 20 plus 10, that is minus 10, minus 20 plus 0 plus 10, it is minus 10, 4 plus 0 plus 6, 4 plus 0 plus 6 is 10, divide by 10, therefore you are getting x is equal to 2 minus 1 or 1. 2 minus 1, 1 is the answer. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, or z is equal to plus 1. This is the answer. So, we solve this by method of inversion. So, first you have to find inverse of matrix, multiply with the matrix of constants, and you will get answer x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. Check whether it is true or not. You can see it is satisfied. X is equal to what? 2, y is minus 1 और z is 1. So x 2 रखा है, minus 1 मतलब plus 1 होगा, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 और ये z is 1, so 4. Yes, it satisfies the first equation. Any of the equation it is satisfied. Therefore, the answer is correct. Next is here, this question on inverse trigonometric functions. Question on inverse trigonometric functions. See, these are the questions on matrices. Okay, in the next video we will continue question on inverse of trigonometric function.